Okay, so today we're going to show you a new tool that we have put together, and it's actually kind of a revamped tool, but we like it better than the old one. So when you log into Carrier Finder, you're going to notice some links down here at the bottom. One of the links, and this is the one I'm going to show today, is called CableCo Finder. Stands for Cable Company Finder. You click on the link, and up will pop a map of the United States. Now at this point we have various options on what we can do, but we could look to see who the cable companies are for a particular state. In this case I'll just pick on somebody in the middle of the state, Colorado, and we see that now we have all these pinpoints down in Colorado, and you simply click on the link and you get a name of the city, the state, the zip code, and who the cable co is. Comcast, US Cable, Baja Broadband. There's actually like 1,000 different cable codes that we have in this tool. So quite a bit. Now, another way to use this obviously would be just to type a city. So you could type Seattle, Washington. Click on search and see all the cable codes in Seattle. And again, it's useful to have it by zip code because you can have multiple cable codes in the same area. And therefore, one of the ways that might want to be used would be just to type the zip code. So 98106, do a search, and we would see a single zip code. It always zooms in to the nearest point, and you could see 98106 is, in this case, Comcast. Now another way you could do it is you could actually search for the cable co, a specific cable co within a certain area. So in this case I'm going to pick on Comcast again, and of course I could just start typing Comcast. And if I do a search, well actually I want to get rid of that zip code. In this case I'm searching the entire country for Comcast. So this is kind of handy if you're just curious to know what the footprint of a particular cable co is. And there you go. We have the entire country mapped out, showing the Comcast footprint. And there you go. Let's pick a smaller company such as Wave Broadband. And we would see that you can tell they're a West Coast type company with areas or deployments along the West Coast. So very simple to figure out who the cable co is for a particular community, a city, a zip code, and so on. Yes, and that's really about it. That's about it. You know, you could do things like switch it to satellite and back to map and some various things like that, but that is the main thing, is looking to see who the cable company is. And if you look at this list, you're going to see there is a big list of cable co's. Really big. Amazing how many there are out there. Probably like Brandywine Cablevision. Who's heard of them? Well, there we go. They're in Brandywine. Let's figure out what state they're in. Virginia. Anyway, that is our tool for the day on Carrier Finder. Hope you enjoyed this video.